Have you ever wondered why racing cars zip by in a blur while the hands of a clock seem to crawl? It's a fascinating play of motion and time, concepts deeply interwoven into our everyday lives. Imagine this. A young boy named Timmy is excited. It's the day of the big race, the day he's been waiting for. He's been practicing for weeks, running around the park near his house. He's been timing himself, trying to get faster and faster. But what does all this mean? How do motion, time, distance, speed, and velocity play into Timmy's story? When Timmy runs around the park, he's in motion. His position is changing in relation to his surroundings, the trees, the benches, the playground. If he runs at the same speed around the park, we say he's in uniform motion. But if he sprints, slows down, and then sprints again, he's in non-uniform motion. His speed is changing. Now let's talk about distance and displacement. The distance is the total path Timmy covers. If he runs around the park 5 times, we add up the length of each lap. But displacement is different. It's the change in position. If Timmy starts and ends at the same point, his displacement is 0, even though he's run quite a distance. Speed, on the other hand, is how fast Timmy is running. It's the rate of his motion, how much distance he covers over time. If he runs faster, his speed increases. If he slows down, his speed decreases. But speed doesn't tell us everything. We also need to know his direction to fully understand his motion. That's where velocity comes in. Velocity is speed in a given direction. As for time, it's the ticking of the clock, the passing of moments. Time is what we measure with clocks and watches, in units of seconds, minutes, and hours. It's a fundamental aspect of our lives, affecting every activity we do. Graphs can help us visualize Timmy's motion. A line moving steadily upwards shows uniform motion, while a line that curves or changes direction shows non-uniform motion. In conclusion, as Timmy runs his race, he's demonstrating the concepts of motion and time. His changing position shows motion. The path he covers gives us distance and displacement. His speed and direction together give us velocity. And the time it takes for him to run the race brings in the crucial element of time. So the next time you see a racing car whiz by or watch the slow crawl of a clock, remember Timmy and his race. Remember the intricate dance of motion and time.